Premier.
Mr Speaker.
Members. Leader of the Opposition. Leader of the Opposition and Treasurer. Both of you are getting very close to being called, so please desist the cross-chamber conversations between yourselves. Member for Midland.
Mr Speaker, my question is to the Minister for Health. I refer to the Cook Labor government's record investment in health to make Western Australia the healthiest state in the nation. And I ask, can the Minister outline to the House how the government's investment to modernise our healthcare system is supporting more Western Australians to get the care they need when they need it? And can the Minister advise the House what impact this investment is providing easier, simpler care for patients?
The Minister for Health.
Thank you, Mr Speaker, and can I thank the member for Midland for his question and for his interest in this important area. Member, as you know, the Cook Labor government's continuing to deliver world-class healthcare for all West Australians. We've invested an unprecedented $14.3 billion in new funding since 2021. It's added more than 800 new beds to the health system, which is the equivalent of a new Fiona Stanley hospital, and we've got another tertiary hospital's worth of beds in the pipeline. And in addition, member, we're increasing WA's health workforce by more than 30%, so including 4,400 more nurses and 1,800 more doctors. Now, I've before in this place spoken about our plan to deliver better access to care for Western Australians. And as part of this, we're modernising our health system, and this, member, includes an expansion of the WA Virtual Emergency Department, or WAVED as we've called it. The WA Virtual ED means patients can get access to real-time consultation with a specialist in their own home, which means they can avoid unnecessary visits to ED where it's clinically appropriate for them to do so. WAVED has already supported hundreds of patients in their own home, and that's why I was particularly pleased to recently join the Premier to announce we're expanding the WAVED program by partnering with Health Direct Australia. Now, this means West Australians who call Health Direct seeking medical advice can be offered a virtual emergency department consultation, or a waived consultation. And it also means that more West Australians will be able to be treated in the comfort of their own home, avoiding emergency department where it's clinically appropriate for that to occur. This, of course, builds upon our government's work to modernise the health system. So things like delivering the State Health Operations Centre, ensuring we can better coordinate patient flow. And we're also delivering more telehealth services, particularly in regional WA, providing regional Western Australians with real-time access to specialists. And, members, we, during the election, announced our GP Ask program, which will provide GPs access to specialists in real time, helping to save patients time and money. Member, we're doing a lot to modernise the WA health system, making sure that West Australians can get access to the healthcare that they need, no matter where they live in our state.
Thank you, Minister.